Oh, now this is a very heavy box from my Moto World. They've sent me some stuff. Shall we see what they've sent? Well, my Motor World is a place where you can get all your parts you want for a car. You can get literally anything you can think of in the Motor World world. But they also do motorcycle stuff that's really cool. And they've sent me a selection of things that will be handy for my machines. Don't you love and doing a box? For my machines that will come in super handy. And also to give you an example of exactly what they stock. Packaging done. So if, for instance, you're thinking, do you know what I want to do is I want to service my bike, and you're looking for a place you can get motorcycle oil from literally by popping online, a click of a button, and get it sent to your door. Well, they do. Look at this oil, the Castor Oil Power One 1040 4T. Well, this is perfect for this bike. This is the Vogue Rally 300. I gave them my reg, popped it in, boom, this was all I wanted. And they've sent me not just one, but to make sure that I can service my bike, do a trip coming up all the way to the Arctic Circle, making sure I've got an extra litre to pop in there. They've sent me 2, 3, 4 litres of castor oil. Awesome. So next time I want to service my bike, no problem whatsoever. So if you're after oil, you can pop over and get any oil you want for your bike, get it shipped to your house. You have to go out, you have to stand there in the shop going, which one's the correct one? Or order it from somewhere going, is this actually proper oil? Because there's lots of fakes out there. You can get the proper oil from the proper place at a click of a button. Well, what else do they do, I hear you ask? Well, let me tell you. Also deep in this box is, well, this is why it's so heavy, because this is a motorcycle battery, because they also stock motorcycle batteries. You know that feeling, what's happened to me recently, because I've recently put my Triumph into storage because I've had so many press bites in the garage, come back to it a month later to find, well, the battery was dead. And they supply batteries. So again, a click of the button online, match up the part number or give them a call, and you can get your battery sent to you hassle-free, meaning the next day when they ship it out, you can go into your garage, hook up your battery, bada boom, bada bing, you're on the road. All at the click of a button. But they don't just do oil, they don't just do batteries. You know when you want to clean your bike and you want your bike to be squeaky clean and you want to find the perfect product? Well, while you're ordering your oil for your service and you're thinking, I need to replace my battery because it's been in there for years and it's pretty much knackered and I don't want to break down, you can also sit there and go, oh, got to get my bike clean, I'm running out of product. Well, they do motorcycle cleaning products as well. This inside here is bike right cleaning products. They've not just sent me this though, they've sent me more. To be precise, 3 cans of stuff. Let's get rid of that box down there. So the 3 cans they've sent me, these are products that are really handy to have. Now, one of them, this one, is Bike Right's brake cleaner. And what's really cool about this is if you know you get that little squeak around your pad sometimes and around the discs and you go, oh, that's really annoying. Try spraying a little bit of brake cleaner around there to get rid of any dust or dirt, because that will get rid of the squeaks. It's super handy to have. But if you're gonna do some maintenance, like changing your pads and cleaning around there, this is the stuff that you want. On top of that, another thing is anti-fling chain lube. They've sent me a tin of this. What's awesome, because you know when you spray on the cheaper chain lubes and it splatters all over the place, this won't. Spray it on and it becomes like a gel on your chain, keeping it protected. And as again, I'm about to head off to the Arctic and do a massive adventure. I need this in my panniers. I certainly do. Well, the last one is quick wax. So you've got rapid clean that you can spray on and clean your bike rapidly. You spray this on, you leave it for a couple of minutes and you take it off, and it takes off all of that grime and dirt. It's really strong stuff. And then what you can use is you can use their quick wax. Spray that around your tank and around your plastics, and it will look fantastic. So you've got everything you need in one place. My Motor World don't just sell the oil we need to service our bikes and the cleaning products that keep our bike squeaky clean. also the maintenance products to keep us on the road, and the batteries that we need when our battery in our bike is dead. You know, when you walk out and it's like, oh, I just want to go for a ride, it's a beautiful day, I've got a few days off, and then it's flat and knackered, and then you need something to replace it. Well, of course, with them, you order it and it comes the next day, and bada boom, bada bing, you're on the road. They don't just sell all of that. They've also got, and I kid you not, motorcycle ramps. So you can make your little garage into your own workshop. And they also, on top of all of that, you know, the tools, all manufacturers seem to put things on bikes where we need specialist tools to be able to get to it. Well, you can get your tools from them as well. And things get even better because My Moto World have given me the opportunity to give you 5% off. So you can now go and order your favorite oil for your machine, the best cleaning products, and any of the tools that you want. Pop that into your basket, go to checkout, and then in the discount code put helmet H5 and you will get 5% off. How cool is that? And I've got to say, My Moto World, to get all the things that you could possibly want in one place, is just seriously 11 out of 10.